In this video, we are going to fix the 0x80240035 Windows Update failed error. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first step that you can do is that you need to proceed on the running for troubleshoot of Windows Update. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings window. Here at the settings, you need to proceed to the left pane. Please locate for an option which is the system. Click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for troubleshoot. Click on here. And afterwards, you'll see three options. Proceed to other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, you can see their Windows Update. Run the troubleshooter corresponding for it. Okay. So please click on run. Wait until it would be finished. And once you have completed the process, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the second solution, and that is you need to clear the file folder named software distribution. How we can do that, you need to open your file explorer. So at the taskbar, simply tap on it. And then you need to navigate to the left pane. You can see there this PC. Proceed to your C drive or local disk. Click on it. And then here at the C drive, you need to locate for the Windows where we can find the software distribution. Scroll down. Please open the software distribution, double tap, and you need to clear div datas here. So please select the whole, Control A to select the whole, and then please click on this delete icon to delete it. Once done, restart your computer and run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the third solution, and that is to turn off security programs. So if you have a third-party software that is running in your PC, please turn it off. Or either you can also navigate here with the taskbar, click on this forward arrow key there. You can see shield icon, click on it. Once you have click on it, please proceed to virus and threat protection. And under the virus and threat protection, there you can see manage settings. Please turn all of this off. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue and then restart your PC. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So once you are done with the Windows update, you can now turn this back into on. Okay? You can now enable this again once you are done with the Windows update. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.